Can
you wave, Micah? Wave.
Hey, sweetie.
Wave at your mama. He's smiling.
Hey.
That's good driving.
How do you...
See?
You gonna crank it up? Yeah. It drives good, just like a car.
Is that your dad?
Say, Dad, look at me. Tell Dad, look at you.
That's right, see.
Say, see me, Daddy.
Who else is out there? Is that your papa? Can you say papa? Papa?
Papa?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Easy, man. You ready to get, you want to do your lawnmower?
There we go. There we go. Cut my grass. Yeah, that's nice. Nice and big, and maybe I hope it'll live.
Yeah, I think if you keep it on the carport in the winter,
yeah,
that would be okay.
Well, I can't believe that fig bush. Wave at me. You little stinker. You little stinker. Hey, Micah. Hey, Micah. Wave at me.
You wave? Oh, nice.
You gonna wave at Daddy. You waving at Daddy and Papo? Wave at Daddy and Papo. Now, I don't know if you need to go in there or not. They probably a lot of gasoline in this first one thing another you might get into. I put your swing up out there. You want to go swing? Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom. Boy, you get it cut quick, won't you? Where you going? Huh? What's boat?
A boat?
No, that's not a boat. That's a camper shell.
Oh, yeah.
Wish I could get rid of that thing.
What's that? A trailer?
Uh-huh.
Oh, there's a boat over there.
Yeah, there's a boat. See the boat, Micah? Micah, look. See over there? There's a boat. There's a boat. I cleaned up all this mess back here. It was a mess. Hauled a whole truckload of junk off.
Yeah, it's a lot.
A lot of this junk is Tony's. That big old black thing is his tools, and that's a... That, Micah? Ball. It's a ball.
Who's in there? What do you see?
Do you see Micah in that ball?
The lawnmower.
You see Mama in there? Ooh, don't run over Memo. Don't run over Memo. Don't run over Memo. Huh? Where? You gonna run? What you gonna run over? They trying to get that old lawnmower cranked still. Don't run over Memo. Don't. Don't. Hey, here we go. Yo, silly. Don't run over me, Mom. Don't run over me, Mom. Boy.
Are you gonna run me over?
You gonna run over Mama? Don't run over Mama.
Oh, what you doing? Can you lift that? Are you strong? You're gonna roll.
Oh, there's a truck. That's a big truck. Yeah. Huh? You gonna go get on the steps? I think I got rid of all the ants, and there was a wasp nest up in the corner. I guess I must turn that light on while I go. Hey, Micah. Hey, wave at me. You be careful. Can you wave at me? Hey. 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 Hey, sweetie. Don't run over Mama's car. Dada's car. If you fall on these rocks. Let's go back out in the grass. Wanna go out in the grass? Hey. Hey. Huh? What do you want? Let's go see Papa and Daddy. Come on, let's go see Papa and Daddy. I'm gonna see Papa and Daddy. Come on. Jump. Can you jump? Let's see you jump. Jump. Jump high. Jump. Micah, show me how you jump. What is that? What is that? A bug? Can you jump? Come up here and jump. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Jump. Can you jump?
You lift that up there? Oh, you're so strong. You want to sit up there again? Don't stand on that thing. No?
They take you? Take your picture? Say hey. Say hey, Daddy. Hey, Papa.
How's the horn go, Micah?
Toot toot. Toot toot. What's your foul though? Yeah.
Now, this one put in the storage room, because if we go for it tomorrow, I ain't gonna put it tomorrow. I hate to leave it out, it might rain.
What do you call the dog, Micah?
You can go and take him for a ride, Dad, if you want.
I'll let y'all go in.
Micah, show me how you call the dog. Say, come here, doggy.
He
Say,
won't
come here,
hurt Micah.
doggy.
Hold him away from us.
Micah. Say, come here, doggy. Say, come here. How you do it? Call him.
Won't turn loose, see if we get in the truck.
What's that, Daddy?
Gonna turn him loose, let him get in the truck.
Let me go out there, Chad. You tell him to come get in the truck. Let me get my flashlight.
Okay, watch Zeke. He's fixing to go get in the truck so he can go for a ride. You're gonna say, come here, puppy. Come here, doggy. Yep, watch him. He's gonna go get in Papa's truck. Where is his truck?
Yeah, we'll watch him. He's not
Get in the truck.
Go get in the truck, Zeke.
Look at him go, Zeke. Micah.
Truck, Zeke.
There he goes. He
Tell him
goes
not to
crazy.
pee on our tires.
He goes
Don't
crazy.
You pee on our tires, dog.
Can you see him, Micah? Want Daddy to hold you up so you can see
He won't run out. He won't run up here. Yeah, he's too busy.
Come on, Zeke.
You are Joey.
He's getting ready to go for a ride.
Say, get in the truck. Get in the truck. Tell him.
Come on, Zeke.
Tell him. Tell him to get in the truck.
Come here. Come here.
Tell him.
Get
Where's
him
he
to get in
going?
the truck.
Get in
Uh-huh.
the back.
Get in the back. That's right.
Alright. Go Steve.
See? Watch him. He's going for a ride. Tell him bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Zeke. Say bye-bye, Zeke boy. You hear him? Peppa? Where's he going, Micah? Yeah, he's going bye-bye. He'll be right back. He's coming back in a minute.
You make it go.
Turn it on. There you go.
You got it.
Oh, got a flashlight.
Look, Micah, there it is up on the roof.
See?
That's you doing that. Oh, you turned it off.
Turn it back on. There it goes. Can you mash the button? There you go. Look. There it is. Where'd it go?
Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Where is it?
Oh, it's on Mama's foot. Oh, come on now. You like that flashlight. Hey, Micah.
Huh?
Peppa. You say Peppa.
Cut it off about time he said it.
Say Peppa. Micah. Micah, who took Zeke for a ride? Who took him for? Who took him for a ride? Who? Oh, who took him in the truck? Who? No, who took him? No. Who? No. Peppa.
Peppa.
You say Peppa?
Peppa, take him. It's across across the road there, I think. I think that's her car. Oh, Jessica's. Connor's. Did they stop down there? I think she's got a car like that. I don't know anybody else. Wait now, darling. Micah.
Crash. Boom.
You guys that little truck here makes all them noises.
You make it play music, Micah?
Mashing buttons, Mike.
Play the radio. He knows which one it is. Can you dance? Huh? Can you dance?
Mash that button again, Michael. Play the radio for me.
We were at the park a few days ago, and there were these black families out there. They were in the crawfish boil, and they had this hip hop music playing on the loudspeaker. Michael was dancing to it. And all these little kids came over, and they were watching them dance. He was dancing for all of them. You were break dancing, where you falling on the ground. They were impressed. And this little girl came to like him. He started following her around. She was maybe 10, 12 years old.
Yeah.
He hugged her before we left the park. He liked imitation after. You remember that girl, Micah? Carissa, I think her name was. Do you like her?
Say hey, Micah. Look here. Say hey. Say hey. Where are you going?
Oh, it doesn't have any buttons on it, does it?
Do my own land.
Does he play with trucks at home like that too?
Winds them up.
Everywhere.
I know I bought most of them. Probably. I said I know I probably bought most of his trucks.
No, I mean, even at church he plays with them. Like,
Oh.
Winds them up.
he yelled out truck during prayer time in church one time.
Yeah, you said he heard a truck or something outside, or
I think, no, he wanted to go upstairs and
oh, go upstairs and play.
Trucks up there.
Hey, Micah. Micah. Hey, sweetie. Give me. Let me see your toothies. And you got any teeth? Let me see your tongue. Where's your tongue? Where's your nose? Oh, there's your nose. Where's your ears? There's your ears. Where's your hair? Oh, you got 2 ears.
How many ears do you have?
How many
Mike?
ears you got? How many ears you got, Micah? 2? Got 2 ears? Micah, how many ears you got?
Hey, Micah.
You got 2. 2.
Oh.
Come on back in here.
How many trucks do you have?
Two.
You got 4 there. 2 and 2.
2 is in there.
Oh, that's
I'm gonna take this shirt off too, okay?
Oh, look at that big fat belly. Oh, they like to got my nose, Daddy.
That big old head. Huh?
Go dance.
You want Peppa?
Dance for my mom if she video you. Come here, give me a hug. I never get no hug. He ain't gonna give me no hug this morning, he said. Cool.
Can you dance to the music? Huh?
Yeah,
Can you dance to the music?
Show her how you dance, Micah. Show Mama how you dance. Do a little dance for her. Do a little halfway dance there.
You want something different?
A little shaking back and forth. There you go.
You silly goose. You silly old goose. Oh, dimples. I see them dimples.
Let's make more coffee when
I see them dimples.
Yeah, you probably won't.
Okay.
Yes, I do.
Hey, May, well, you don't drink coffee like you used to. You used to drink a lot of coffee. Come here, give me a hug.
Give Papa a hug.
I ain't never got a hug yet.
He gotta go to the grocery store. He's fixing to go. You better give him a bye
Give me
hug.
a bye hug.
Go give Papa a bye hug. He's going to the grocery store.
Take you for a ride in his truck this afternoon.
We'll go for a ride this afternoon.
Wanna go for a ride this
I'll clean the garbage out
afternoon?
front So you can ride.
Do you want to go ride in Peppa's truck this afternoon? You better go give him a hug then. That's a box, isn't it? Where's the harmonica? Oh man, come on, man. Yeah, you broke it, didn't you? I don't know where it is.
It's over here. Here, you want to play the harmonica? Play it. Oh, turn the music back on so I'll play with the music. See? See, I can do as good as that thing can. Play the harmonica.
We gotta get the beat going.
Gotta get the beat going. Can you do it? Jump! Can you jump? There you go. Big jump. Good boy. Good old jump. Jump high. Jump high. There you go. Jump high. Yeah. Yeah, when we get through, I'll let you see it. I'll see.
Buddy.
Let you see yourself.
Oh, my road.
Did you see that other computer in there? So I squeezed down in it.
You couldn't fit in that chair 6 months ago, Micah.
So I squeezed down in it.
What? You want to sit in this chair? You want me to sit in that chair?
I don't think so. I don't think Daddy can sit in that
Come
chair.
on, have a seat.
Squeeze down in there. Squeeze. Ooh, squeeze.
Are you big?
You're too big. You squeeze down in there. Do you sit in your bear chair at home?
What do you do in your bear chair, Micah? What do you do? What else do you do in it?
Do you rock?
See?
Do you rock in your bear chair? Huh?
Yeah, you do.
No?
Micah, come here. No, Micah. I think that's your doorbell.
Yeah. Can that plug in?
Is that a monkey?
Is that a monkey on
Oh,
there?
that's a bug. It looks like a bug.
Oh, well,
Who is that?
one of them's got a monkey.
And
That
who's
Mama and Daddy? Mama and Daddy.
Mm-hmm. Mama was pregnant with you then, Micah. You're in that picture. Do you see yourself in that picture, Micah?
Say no. Vroom. Vroom.
Oops.
What is that, a fire truck? A fire truck? Vroom. How's the fire truck go, Micah? Vroom. What's the police car? How's it go? Hmm? Yeah, is that the police car? Yeah, and the fire, or that's the fire truck there. Say hey, Mama. Where is that? What is? Yeah, truck. That's a truck. What does the fire truck say? Huh? What does the fire truck say? Yeah, it's already off. I'm taping some more. We'll finish out this tape, okay?